Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I am OLESYA KWITE. Welcome to my new video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want, of course guys. If not, write in comments below a reason why you don't want to do it, and I hope that I can make this channel more interesting, more helpful and more amazing for you guys. And let's get started this video. Finally, I'm gonna have a real summer vacation. It's my first vacation for this summer, but I hope that not the last one, or maybe not the last one for this year. Yeah, and we're gonna have, when I say we, I mean my family and I, my dog, and mom, dad and other relatives, gonna have a road trip. For me, it's really interesting. I'm really excited right now that we're gonna have this amazing road trip with my relatives. I'm gonna understand them closer. That's why I don't want to film anything. I just want to be with them. I just want to be together with them. From what we start trips, from packing everything in our bags. And guys, I want to share with you few hacks how to pack everything very fast. This video is going to be quite long, but I try to pack it very fast because usually I pack for the day, even sometimes for a week I pack. Yeah, it's really difficult. And right now guys, I'm gonna share with you how to pack very fast, maybe for 2 hours, but for me it's really fast. The first hack that I have for you today is always start your packing from writing a list of things that you need to take with yourself. I mean, you cannot write clothes, but you can write all technological things, all techniques, what else, I don't know, all beauty stuff, all for girls, all games maybe if you want to take, if you go somewhere with friends, all dog stuff. The second hack is first thing first, start choosing your clothes. But before choosing your clothes, you must do what? Of course you must check the weather forecast in the country or in the city or even in the countryside where you go, because it's really important to check weather forecast before you go there to choose the right clothes. Forget to tell you that when I check weather forecast, I check about 5 or even sometimes 10 different links, different weather forecasts, to be sure that the weather gonna be like this or like that. So it's really important, and of course I write a list of the weather forecasts that I found. So guys, the third advice is always try to match your outfits. So for example, you can take 3 tops, only 3 tops, just for example, okay guys? And for these 3 tops you can take, I don't know, 2 shirts, you can take 2 pants, you can take 2 trousers, you can take jeans, you can take, I don't know, leggings, and you can take skirts for example. And only for these 3 tops. The fourth advice is try to take small bottles of everything, of your shampoo, of your shower gel, of your conditioner, of your, I don't know, perfume, small size. And the next tip is never try to turn on your TV or turn on YouTube videos, because you will continue packing for a very long time. Just try to turn on your favorite music and listen to it and enjoy it. Last but not the least tip is never try to fold your clothes. Always try to roll it, because it's gonna help you to keep a lot of space. I tried it myself, so just try to roll it all the clothes. So my dear, thank you so much for watching these videos. I love you very much. Thank you so much for clicking on these videos. Hope you enjoyed it, liked it, and sorry for so short video. If you like short videos, write in comments below, or you like long videos. That's gonna be the question of this video. You like short or long videos? And see you in the next video. Bye!